Hey there, it's Heather. I wanted to take a couple of minutes and film a short video for you about the painted stairs we did almost 2.5 years ago. It's been a really popular project, probably because it's just a real cost-effective solution if you have some ugly stairs that you need to do something with and try and spruce them up without spending a ton of cash. But people are always interested whether or not they're actually holding up, if they're all banged up and look horrible, or they're doing okay. So I wanted to take you over to the stairs and show you on video, because we all know seeing is believing, right? Right. But real quickly, before I show you how they look today, I couldn't help but remind everyone of how they used to look before we painted them. Pretty nice, right? April, oh, it doesn't say the month. Okay, but it's April 18th, 2018. And here's the stairs. All right, and I'll just kind of zoom in, try and find some issues for you. You can see there's a few little scuff marks here and there, but all in all, they look good. There's a little scuff mark there. They look shiny, so I can see why people would think they might be slippery. They're totally not. They're the same as our wood stairs upstairs in terms of slipperiness. And you can see, aside from the little scuff marks, there's no spots where the paint is chipped or cracking or anything like that, peeling. It's absolutely not peeling anywhere. It looks good.